about riding brakes.
Well, it's not allowed is the number one. Here, especially at CCNC, it's not allowed. And that's one of the reasons that the lanes are so wide. Oh, perfect. Oh my goodness. Look at this PDBA steer, Philadelphia, the white hat. Look at him. He is standing on the gunnel. Do you see his feet right there?
Yeah, I see the second.
That is the infamous Billy Heffernan stance. His name is Billy Heffernan. He has steered for Team USA Premier for a very long time. And look at him standing on that gunnel. You'll also see in seat 1, 2, 3, 4 right with the white long shirt right there. And